Waking up for work, leaving at 3:44, and I have a misfire. As you can see, it's very shaky inside. Not a fun experience, but nothing we can't handle. First thing first, take out the cabin air filter right here. Make sure you set your bolts somewhere where you won't lose them, because you do not want a clapped out BMW, even though mine is very clapped. I figured it would be the ignition coil just because I did the spark plugs 2 days before. And to test this theory, I ended up just checking the codes, misfire cylinder 3. I did pull a spark plug just in case, but they all look good. Like I said, they're new. And I switched the third ignition coil to the first one with the third one. Cleared the codes, reread the codes, and the misfire is now in cylinder 1, proving the theory that the ignition coil is bad. So I got a new one and put it in. And just like with the spark plugs, you gotta remove the engine cover, all the plastics that are in the way. People don't really like the plastics on the engine, but I think they're pretty nice, to be honest. Yeah, they're annoying to get off, but it removes the loud ejector sounds that these cars are known to have, so I'll deal with them.